Hello everybody, that's the first time we open the new iPad. That's an HD device. That's white color and 3G and Wi-Fi. We will open it and check it. That's the first time we open the new device. That was damaged from the right side, from here. And we will check what the problem, because the touch is working alone. We'll check that maybe we will change the touch screen. We will open the LCD now. You have to remove the screws. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push up carefully the LCD. You will see 3 batteries. That's internal 3 batteries with the motherboard and the cable for the LCD. Have to remove that one at the first with the LCD carefully also. That's Wi-Fi antenna and USB dock, and here 3G antenna. That's for Wi-Fi. That one, the first and down is beside home button, and upside 3G antenna. We'll move the cable now carefully. Pushed up from the lock. Okay, and push it. Now catch the LCD, but carefully, because that's glue. It's down. Have to remove it also carefully. Everything is carefully, especially in the new iPad. Have to open this lock here. That lock, that's for the touch also. Okay. There is a glue down, and push it outside, but carefully. That's very sensitive. Now we'll see that's a motherboard, and that's SIM slot for the SIM card. That's a zinc weight. You have to open it. Open that one like that. So time to call me, man. No, no, I'm joking. That cable for the power board, that's here. From here, started from here to here, upside. That's a volume cable. And if you want to close the device, that would be still the same. Just USB connector, USB flex cable, that one. And wait for me for the next video, inshallah. Thank you.